What's up you guys, and welcome back to another video. So in the last video we went ahead and installed all these LED fixtures, which pretty much revamped this entire garage entirely. But as you can see, there is little to zero space for storage here, and we're gonna fix that with installing a portable metal shelf. And as you can see here, these are my roommate's stuff, so not much we can do on this side, but on this side, there's definitely a lot of work to do. So we're gonna get all these microfiber towels organized and unbox all these detailing supplies, install the shelf so I could put all these products on the shelf so it doesn't look crazy. And yeah, let's do it. So right here I got a 4-tier metal wire shelf. Pretty sure it's some generic shelf, and I think you can find it on eBay or Amazon. If I find it, I'll just go ahead and link it down below. So let's go ahead and open it up. So I think it's pretty basic. Got the shelves, instructions, hardware. I'm pretty sure these are all the levels, and then these are the legs, and then you just put it together. Alright, so switching to voiceover mode. Looks like I'm unpacking the shelves, and here is everything that it comes with. Cutting some zip ties. Let's see. Here are the instructions, pretty basic. Cutting more zip ties, and these are the legs, or the metal rods that come with the shelf, and here is the hardware it comes with. So this is gonna be, I think, the bottom leg. Yep, that's the bottom leg. And then this one is gonna be for the top of the shelf. So here is the leg for the bottom. All you gotta do is just put it in the bottom of the leg and screw it on. And these are adjustable, so you could make them as tall or as low as you want. And to mount the legs, or mount the shelf, what you're gonna do is go ahead and see how high you want to set the shelf, and then use these two plastic clips, slide it in, and then use the two plastic clips. And then you're gonna jam it in there. It's gonna require some force, but it's not too hard. And just repeat for all four corners. Alright, looks good. Let's go ahead and put it on the table. And then here's a little overview of it. And I think I went ahead and already installed the second one, the second level, and I think we can get started on the top. So pretty much you're just gonna go ahead and thread the top rod into the bottom rod. Pretty simple. Same thing again with the top clips, or the top portion. Just gonna use those plastic clips and give it a good whack. And here's the complete shelf. So this is the complete product. It's not too hard to install. It is, I mean, you get what you pay for, and I'm not too sure how much it is, but I'll have it in the link in the description down below. It's pretty not expensive, and I mean, you're getting a decent shelf for what you pay for. So and you can customize it like and how tall you want it to be. So I made the bottom two a little bit taller, so I could fit my the gallon bottles of all the detailing stuff. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and place this over there and start organizing all my stuff. So guys, I hope you guys like that video. I guess just a quick rundown of the shelf. Here it is. And so my thought process behind this whole thing on stacking it the way it's stacked is that everything I need, these two top ones, is microfibers, my wash mitts from the rag company, and wax applicator pads. So those are going to be the ones that I'm going to be mostly using, grab and go. Third level, we have all of my detailing stuff. Now it's looking a little bit bare bone because I need to restock on some stuff. I threw away a bunch of my old stuff when I moved here, so this is what's left. And the bottom tier is going to be all my gallons of product. So we have McGuire Gold Class that was left over from my old house, and I recently got these three, all from PNS. It's going to be Bead Maker, Brake Buster, and their interior cleaner. I've used Bead Maker for a long time now, and it just makes your paint super slick and smooth. And excited to try Brake Buster and the interior cleaner. And I also got an IK foamer that I haven't tried yet, so look out for a video of me unboxing that and using the Brake Buster in the IK foamer. And still have some other stuff to play with, like all this car washing stuff, and the big one, the portable Sunjo pressure washer. Probably get to it in about a week or maybe sooner. And yeah, looks like the garage is coming together. Anyways guys, I hope you guys like this video. It's a short one, and I mean, it's nothing crazy, but to me, I just like everything organized. Oh, and also got this little neat bin to store all my extra microfiber towels. So, I mean, if you guys like this video, please give it a likes or a thumbs up, and subscribe for more content.